Mabuhay Anyong Shimnika. Welcome po sa ating Central Rizal Hall sa Philippine Embassy po dito sa Korea. Isa pong malaking karangalan na makasama po ang mga iba't ibang asosasyon po ngayon. It's a special day. We have no less than 4 po na Filipino community organizations who will be taking their oath, and I think 2 of the associations will also be receiving their certificate of renewal for today's ceremony.
Okay, thank you very much po. I would just like to start directly na po and call on the representative and or the leaders of El Shaddai Prayer Partners Fellowship International to go on stage. Hindi naman po sila bago renewal lang po. So we'd just like to call on all the leaders of the different chapters po. Babanggitin natin mamaya. This certificate of recognition is given to El Shaddai DWXI Prayer Partners Fellowship International South Korea Chapter for their compliance with the requirements by the Philippine Embassy, thereby becoming fully recognized as a legitimate Filipino community organization in the Republic of Korea that will help promote and protect the general welfare and interests of the Filipino community. Given this 23rd day of March 2025 at the Philippine Embassy in Seoul, signed Ambassador Maria Teresa Dizo de Loya. Palakpakan naman po natin. Oath taking po. Gusto lang po muna namin tawagin isa-isa po yung mga leaders po ng ating Philcom groups. We'll start with El Shaddai po, led by their Seoul chapter po, Ms. Gloria Lapore, and their advisors, Sister Mary. Mary Grace Makatuno. With their also Daegu chapter coordinator, Marcelina Arcon. With their Busan chapter, Coordinator Annie Lee, Miriam Chapter Coordinator Rosemary Choi, and other officers and members of El Shaddai.
Hindi mo kasasama mo video. Sama na ito din.
Okay, taas lang po natin ang kanang kamay and please repeat after me the oath of office po. Okay, ready na po tayo. I state your name. Solemnly swear to faithfully carry out my duties as of state your community organization. I pledge to serve with honesty, dedication, and a sincere commitment to the well-being of our Filipino community in South Korea. I pledge to serve with honesty, dedication, and a sincere commitment to the well-being of our Filipino community in South Korea. I will respect and follow the laws of both the Republic of the Philippines and the Republic of Korea. I will respect and follow the laws of both the Republic of the Philippines and the Republic of Korea, and responsibly uphold the trust given to me to make a meaningful contribution to our community. And responsibly uphold the trust given to me to make a meaningful contribution to our community. So help me God. So help me God. Congratulations po, mabuhay po.
Well, lakad na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
어, 나가서 나온다.